How to turn on or turn off physical keyboard notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on notifications. Now at the top here, tap on app notifications and then tap on the more button, then tap on show system apps. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Android system. Next, we scroll down and tap on notification categories. Now, if you do not see this option, you need to go back into notifications, then tap on advanced settings. And then in here, we scroll down and make sure you turn on manage notification categories for each app. Make sure this is turned on. Then we go back, then tap on app notifications, then tap on more, and then tap on show system apps. Next, we go down and tap on Android system. In here, tap on notification categories. Then scroll down. And in here, tap on physical keyboard. So tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch it on. Now you can also tap on the left hand side panel. At the top here, you can turn off notifications or you can turn it on. If you like to turn it on, you can also choose silent or alert. If you select alert, you can choose to show as pop-up or not. You can also change the sound of your notifications. You can also change the notification sound volume. Now, if the notifications is making you go crazy because it keeps sending you notifications from the physical keyboard, you can simply just turn it off. And that's it. Or you can choose alert or silent. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.